Hi guys, today we're going to be reacting to Shiba Inu videos and maybe some Floppa. Let's get started. Let me turn on the TV. Oh, Netflix. Sorry guys if everything looks backwards to you. The camera makes stuff backwards. Shiba Inu videos. This one. You ready guys? Okay, good. Like and check out Shiba Inu videos. I guess. Okay. Well, let's just react. Aww. So cute. How's no one It's so cute. Do you agree, guys? God. It's kind of cute, actually. This is adorable. What the heck is happening? Do you guys know? I guess they're really protective. I don't know this because I'm not from Japan. Oh, it's just like a film retriever. Today's sponsor is Shiba Inus. Get one if you don't have a pet. I warn you, they cost money though. They do. So cute. Dog all happy. My dog doesn't like that. My dog would hate that. I'm just cats and dogs. Sorry guys if I talk too much. I'm very sorry. Do what that TV just told me to do, but on my channel, please. Aw, so cute. So cute. Dogs are a human's best friend. Dogs are definitely a human's best friend. I can't even speak anymore. Human. A human's best friend. Shiba Inus like to say human. Human, not human. Sorry if I'm blocking the TV for you guys. I don't want to be. So cute. You're right back, Francis. Be back. because my mom doesn't want to see baby, cute, puppy, sheep, and oh my god, that thing is destructive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Comment down below. Comment down below if my comments are on. If you have a dog that destructive. Comment down below if you have a dog or a pet or a destructive animal. I don't want to do too long, guys. So, I might just stop at 7 minutes. I know you guys want to see the full 11, 12, but I'm sorry. I don't want to make a half an hour long video on reacting to dog just and cats, specifically Floppas. So cute. Wait, this is supposed to be... Oh, this is a try not to laugh. You guys can try not to laugh, but I'm gonna laugh. Oh, it's so cute. I'm fainting. I'm fainting. Sorry guys if I get a little impatient. I don't know when it's been. I don't know how to tell minutes. Alright. Alright guys, it's Floppa time. I know you guys want to see more Shiba Inus, but it's time for a Floppa. Let's give some hats some love. Oh, wait, that was cute. Okay. Floppa. No. Floppa videos. No. Floppa videos. Actually, that's awesome. Floppa videos. Floppa videos. Floppa videos. Floppa video. No, I'll just type it. Floppa video. Floppa video. Floppa video. Floppa. Floppa Floppa video. Floppa video. You guys want to see 3 minutes of adorable baby Floppas? And here we go. Oh my god. Those things can jump high. Oh my god. This is kind of rough. Okay, good. It's not. Okay. I need to search up a video of Floppas and baby Shiba Inu and Floppas together. Do you guys want to see that? If you want to see even more videos of Floppa and Shiba Inu, or just more videos of me reacting, leave a like. Do it. Did you do it? I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Turn it up. Baby Floppa.
Accessibility should.
What the heck just happened? Maybe Floppa impression failed. I don't think he's gonna do it. Do you guys think so? He didn't end up doing it. Yeah, they're just cats, aren't they? Just cats. That guy owns 2 mini Floppas. That person owns way too many Floppas. Do you agree? Good. Is it over? I'm gonna guess it's over. Floppa and Shiba Inu together. Talking Shiba Inu. You guys want to see that? I'll make a bonus. Yeah, I'm definitely doing the bonus. Really, that's it? Really? What? That's it? That's like one of those compilations, the shortest video on Earth. Jeez. No. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Leave a like if you like this. And I'll see you next time. Also, ring the bell. I'll see you next time.